Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you don't know me, my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I am going to do a full face makeup tutorial using only makeups from Kmart. And these makeups are very affordable and they are from the brand OXX. I have done a haul showing all these products in the original packaging, but here I took out all these makeups and they are all in here and they are very cheap. They are under $10, some are only $2. The eyeshadows I have used is only $2 and I just love how this look came out. And for makeups under $10, this is quite an amazing look for me. So I highly recommend you guys go and check out Kmart and do get these makeups and try it for yourself, so you guys will know what I am saying. And these eyeshadows are literally so beautiful. I just loved how pigmented this is, and this lipstick is awesome. It's not tacky. One thing about this lipstick is this lipstick doesn't dry that quickly, so you can build the color as much as you want, and the brush is very precise, so while applying you don't mess up. So yes, I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet already, and join me on all social media sites if you wish to see my future uploads. And yes, without further ado, let's begin with today's tutorial. Okay, first I am taking this OXX Studio Brightening Primer, and I am taking a handful of this product just because I want to apply lots of this product and see how good it is. And this primer is amazing and I just loved it. My makeup lasted so long just because I have worn this makeup full day, and I washed my face at night, 9:30 or 10 o'clock at night, so it lasted so long. And here I am taking this OXX Studio Line foundation, and this one is in number 05 Honey, and this is a natural finish foundation. And as you can see, this foundation is a bit light for my skin, and I am applying second coat of this foundation now just because the first coat the coverage wasn't that good, so I am applying second coat. And I am using a damp beauty blender here, and I will recommend not using a damp beauty blender, just use a normal blender and or a brush, or apply with your hand, and the coverage will be so good. And here I am taking the same foundation but in the shade 07 Chestnut, and I am contouring my face with this foundation just because when I went to buy these products at Kmart, there wasn't any contouring products left, so I bought this darker shade of foundation to contour my face. So I love it. I always buy 2-3 shades of foundation so that I mix and match while applying. So this is, as you can see, the coverage is quite good. And now I am taking this OXX concealer, and this one is in shade medium, and the consistency of this concealer is so good. And I am applying with this normal concealer brush, and I am blending with the same beauty blender the other side, and the coverage is awesome. It's just amazing, and I just love this foundation and concealer for everyday use. And now I am taking this OXX eyebrow pencil. This one is in shade black, and this eyebrow pencil is so black and pigmented, so you have to use with a very light hand while applying, or else you will be messing up with this product. And I love how pigmented this is, just because I always apply my eyebrow before applying foundation, so that if I mess up, I will clean it up. But here I did messed up a bit, so that I am cleaning it up with a cotton bud and just blending all the product together. And now I am applying the same concealer just to clean up under my brow area. And then I am just checking if the foundation is dry and dabbing any excess product. So this foundation is good, but it takes a while to dry, and when it's dry, then I applied the setting powder, so I can still see my freckles or some marks on my face. You can still see, but this is a natural finish foundation. So, and I am no, I haven't applied lots of the product, so that's why. But if you want more coverage, then you can just use other foundation from this brand. And I am just applying this OXX cosmetic finish setting powder here. This is just a normal setting powder by OXX, and the brush I am using is just my normal brush from Revlon, I guess, but I haven't mentioned any brush in this video just because I am just concentrating on these products. So here I am using this OXX Touch of Pink blush, and this blush is so good. Okay, this blush is so good that reminds me of my Wet n Wild blushes, and we can't get the Wet n Wild blush here, so that I am so happy that OXX got this range out so we can buy it here in Australia. And now I am taking this illuminator by OXX, and this illuminator is quite good, and it's just a illuminator. Oh my god, it's just a illuminator, and it's light pink shade, and I am applying just a little bit of the product. And if you apply too much of this product, it will take off your actual makeup. Just apply a little bit of this product and you will see the glow on your face. I so love this glow illuminator, and I have included this in my giveaway, I guess, and you can see the glow. I love it so much. And now I am taking this lavender eyeshadow by OXX, and this is a quad eyeshadow, and I am taking this light pink shade, and this eyeshadow is so pigmented, and I am applying this light pink shade on my crease area and blending as you can see. And I am not making my eye look like a dramatic eye or any kind of eye look. I am just making something there so that I can see how good these products are. And now I am taking this dark purple shade, and here I have decided that okay, I will create a look just similar to a halo eye looks, just because I love this purple so much. So I decided to take this shade to my inner corner too. So here I am applying to my inner corner and just connecting it to the outer corner, as you can see here. And I am so in love with this shade. It's so beautiful and it's very pigmented, and these eyeshadows are only $2, and for $2 you can get such gorgeous colors. And I have got a few of other eyeshadows, and I am here blending all this up with a clean brush with no products, just to see that there is no harsh lines. And I just love how this look came out. And oh my gosh, I love these brands of XX liquid lipsticks. They are so beautiful and so pigmented. I just love all the shades I bought. And I am just taking more of that dark purple shade and just applying it on the outer and bit to the inner corner on the crease area, and just to get that defined look. And here I am taking the lightest shade from this palette and applying under my brow area, and I will also be applying this shade on the inner corner, and also I will be highlighting my face with this shade, just because I can see that this shade is so good for highlighting too. So as you can see, I am applying on top of that illuminator, and I just love it. It's so beautiful. And I don't know why, but this XX brand is only $2 for this eyeshadow, and it's so worth the price. $2 is just nothing to buy this eyeshadow. It's so pigmented, so beautiful, and as you can see the glow on my face, it's so pretty. And I am taking the same shadow and I am applying it on my lid, as you can see, just on the lid in the middle of the inner corner and outer corner, just on the lid. And I will also be blending this up just to see that there is no harsh lines and they are all blended and connected together. I am loving these eyes. It's so beautiful. I wasn't prepared to do this kind of look, but it's so gorgeous. Okay, here I am taking the same dark purple shade and just applying on the lower lashes, and just blending it from the outer corner to the inner corner. It's beautiful pigmented shade. And now I am applying the same black eyebrow pencil onto my waterline, just because I don't have any eyeliner from this brand, so I decided to use this same eyebrow pencil. And here I am just applying this volume mascara in the shade black, and this mascara is so perfect, and it did give volume to my lashes, and I wasn't expecting this from this mascara, but it's amazing. You should definitely try this product, and I am so happy that one day I will be giving away all these products here on my channel, so that one of you guys can try for yourself to see how good these products are. And this mascara is so beautiful, and I love using it, and I think I will be using it for my everyday use. And just for under $10, these products are so worth using it. And now I am taking this lip liner, and this lip liner I bought from Kmart long time ago, and this is in the shade I think dark pink. Yeah, I don't see any shade written here, so it's a dark pink shade, and it's very creamy. And oh my gosh, this liquid lipstick is so beautiful. It's Calais, Callais. It's dark purple, and when it dries, it becomes a bit more darker than this. And this applicating brush is so precise. I love it so much. I always mess up while applying liquid lipstick, but this brush is so precise that it gives the application so perfection that I love it so much. And just for $2, I just got this liquid lipstick for $2, and I love this shade. It's very, very beautiful, and just look at it. It's so gorgeous. It's so vampy kind of look. And here I am just taking this matte finish setting spray by OXX, and first I am just spraying it on my hand to see if it's good. Now I am just spraying on my face to set all this makeup up, and I just love it. Thanks so much for watching, and I tell you guys to just go and get this product if you can get it, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.